Hi, Chris from AC Connectors here again. So last time we talked about 30 amp RVs and different ways to power that. So this time we're going to talk about 50 amp RVs and different ways to power your 50 amp RV. So to start, we're going to show off the 50 amp RV plug that's usually equipped. This is a 1450 plug. You might recognize it as a range plug or a high power generator plug too. So you can actually use this, as I said, in a high power generator, but those are oftentimes really big and hard to lug around. And then RV power pedestals will also have an outlet for these, but your campground might not. So that brings us to our 50 amp RV kit right here. And so the base adapter for that is RV-TT 1450. And so this actually goes from that 1450 plug to the TT30 30 amp plug right there. And so if your campground doesn't have 50 amp output, it'll most likely have a 30 amp output and you can use this. Otherwise, a lot of generators also have the TT30 outlet as well. And the reason I say it's the base adapter is because it plugs into these two adapters right here. And so you kind of just plug them in like this. Tight connection, always good. And you get an L520 input right there. And then the other one is for L530, and that you'll see on a lot of generators as well. Again, tight connection, that's what you want. And then if you're wondering, what about L1420 or L1430? Those adapters are just one solid adapter. So we have for L1430 right here, and for L1420 right here, and they go right into the 1450 like that. So if you have any questions about these connections or any other RV connections or just any connection in general, leave a comment down below. Otherwise, give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.